What's up, guys? Back with another one, a little short one, talking about a question I've been asked over and over and over and over, more times than I can ever count. So I'm gonna address that right now. Oh, by the way, subscribe if you haven't did that, hit that like, and yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so the question is, by the way, I'm doing a deodorization carpet cleaning right now. So I went ahead and boosted my pre-spray and boosted it with a deodorizer that I love and works so well for me. If you want to know what those are, go ahead and comment down below. I'll see. Go ahead and answer that. But question is that people ask me all the time is, do I move furniture? You know, and it's new guys, right? And I understand that because I had the same questions. No, I don't move furniture. So I let the customer know before I show up. We work around anything large or valuable. I mean, if it's ridiculously easy to move back and forth and it's not a lot, like end table or something like that, put something up, I'll do that. As far as moving big couches and stuff, sofas, you can even on sofas, you can actually lean those things forward, right, and back and forth, which it's kind of easy if it's not too heavy, all right, and if it's not too brittle. Because one other thing too is you don't worry about, it's not just you hurting yourself doing that, it's about hurting the equipment itself. So you damage something, then there goes your payment on, there goes your profits on your carpet cleaning job you just did, right? So my wand can go underneath stuff like that. I let the customers also know that my wand can go strategically under end tables, even under beds if it's high. So, no. Don't start doing that, guys. I understand you're new. You want to give as much as you can so these customers will love you, use you again. And they will use you up if you let them. All right? So just let them know over the phone. So I'm putting a little extra on here because, again, there's a heavy dog dander smell in here. And on top of just spraying it down, we'll go ahead and run a CRB across it, agitate it all in before I extract. Other than that, it's just a small little job here. It's nice getting out of the 110 degree weather. Only about 30 miles away. Here's about, 65. So, real nice. This is beach. This is beach action. So, over there is the ocean, but it's a little overcast, so it's hard to see. But, yeah, stay tuned. All right, so what this does is got the counter-rotating brushes in here. So it actually picks up, also, besides, just agitating it all in, it's good to do anyway, is agitate when you're cleaning carpets. You don't have to do it all the time, only when it needs it, in dark areas and stuff like that. Your solution, if it's good enough, will take care of it just by spraying it. All right, and give it a little bit of dwell time. But in this case, if you have a pet dander smell, this is going to get what the vacuum can't. So I did do a thorough vacuum before I started. And now, on top of agitating this deodorizer in and the actual cleaning solution in, I'm going to be picking up more hair. So if you do a deodorizer when there's a dander problem and you don't get the maximum amount of dander out of that carpet, you can clean it and still have that dander smell, even though you used a deodorizer. So getting that maximum amount of hair out is going to be, a very, very, very important part of the step on deodorizing. So remember that, guys. If you ever do a deodorizer and you find out the customer calls you and says it still smells like pet dander, it's because number one, you didn't vacuum really well, Or, well, basically you didn't do a full pet hair extraction process on it, which would be vacuuming and doing something like this. They actually have rakes also. So if you don't have a CRV yet, they have rakes. You can use it that actually does a great job at removing pet hair out of carpet. Great. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get one of those things also, so I can show you guys for one thing. Just have it on hand too, you know, in certain situations. Maybe doing a 1, 2, 3 pump of this, vacuum this and that rake, you know, just to make sure. All right, so I'm gonna finish this up. All right, it smells so much better in here already. Before I actually agitated all the product into the fibers with this, you can still smell that dog dander pretty heavily. But now, yeah, you can barely smell it. Now what we're gonna do is just go ahead and rinse everything out just like normal. All right, ready to extract. Sorry about the lighting in there, guys, but not good lighting. But good enough out here, I believe. I'm gonna fire it up and get to extraction. Now, I forgot to say, if the customer were to move all this stuff out before I got here, I wouldn't raise the price on them for my over-the-phone quote. Okay, so I'm not priced so cheap to where it's gonna make, you know, I mean, I'm still making money both ways. And sometimes in a lot of situations, them moving all the furniture out, it's easier because working around a lot of small, tedious things is a pain in the butt sometimes. That's why when I clean RVs, I charge $200, and it literally takes me like 20 minutes, you know, just for the floors. Now, if it was upholstery, it'd be more. All right. All right, guys, finished up. Everything put away and off to the next one. So now I'm gonna go back to, right now it's, I don't know, 65. I'm gonna go to like 100, above 100 degrees right now. Back to Paso. Yeah, that's why I kind of book my jobs earlier during the summer. That way I can beat a lot of the heat. But it's so busy during the summer, it's hard. And yeah, by the way, it's all right to drain your water in the dirt. It's just not all right to do it in the city drainage system. You know, a little bit leaked down right here, but so you can tell there's nothing down there it's gonna fall into. So, you know, you do your best. Each city's different, so check with your city and county. But that's the policy over here. All right, guys. See you next one.